family, and welcome back to Prophetic Diary. My name is Tiny. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. Everything you need to know about Prophetic Diary is down in the description box. Get connected. Sign up for that one-on-one encouragement call. Join us tomorrow, Sunday, in the Healing Circle. Our New Year's Eve word will be given from, oh my goodness, the Winner's Circle. So join us there. We'd love to see you guys. The Lord gave me a word today, and it's going to be in, where is it going to be? Genesis 33. And it says, but Esau ran to meet Jacob and embraced him. He threw his arms around his neck and kissed him, and they wept. Then Esau looked up and saw the woman and children. Who are these with you? He asked. Jacob said, they are my children. God has graciously given me. And then we see in verse 16, he says, Esau said, then let me leave some of my men with you. And Esau is taken back by Jacob's approach, right? It was very humble. Jacob comes and he bows down 7 times. He just came so humbly and so graciously, looking for forgiveness from his brother that he has stolen his birthright from. And we see God reconcile and restore this relationship. But this is what the Lord wanted me to let you know. This relationship was broken because of a birthright that was taken, a possession, something that was taken. But in this moment, that birthright, that didn't even matter. All they cared about is their love and the reconciliation of their relationship. He didn't say, oh, where's my birthright? Where's all that you stolen from me? No, they just cared about the relationship being reconciled, the love. But it was because Jacob came, even though people said, oh, your brother's going to kill you. Don't. Because he came so humble, full of gifts, full of love towards his brother. He wanted his brother to know, look, I see what I've done and I changed. But I don't care about possessions. You can have all my possessions. Even though Esau said, no, I have enough. He said, you can take all of my possessions. I don't care. I just want you back. And God says full restoration for the things, the relationships, the friendships that you lost. Full restoration from the things that were stolen from you. Before you know it, you guys be running to each other just like Esau and Jacob. Totally forgetting that it even happened. But God says, when all is said and done, you're going to have full restoration from everything, from every temptation, from every thieving spirit, from every heartache, from every heartbreak. You're going to see full restoration. Glory be to God. I love you guys. If you feel led to sow into this word, # full restoration. Talk to you soon.